Hello, intro class. I'm here to talk a little bit about the assignments for this class. At the very least, getting started. So as we study what social work is and why we do it, what impassions us, we start to use different issues as examples, but they also draw us into the field. The field of social work is vast. We cover everything that society deals with, and in many cases, these seem to be problems that our society has faced or that people within our society face. And as social workers, we try to make these problems better. We try to help make the lives of our clients better, and thus society better and more enjoyable, more just, really is the crux of it. So we all have different interests, and they all can be found within this phenomenal field. So you're going to find an interest of yours within society. What is it? And for the most part, it could be a population, but it also needs to be an issue that a population deals with, often framed as a problem. So let's say that you're interested in schools or school-age kids, and you'd really, really like to know more about autism spectrum disorder. You would choose this as your issue. And then as we go about the assignments for this class, you would continue to use this issue to be the focus of these assignments. You could choose any number of things. You could choose Alzheimer's disease. You don't have to choose a disorder or a disease. You could choose poverty or hunger or homelessness or something in the medical field, but more from a social aspect, literacy or lack of literacy. There are so many areas of interest within this field. Choose yours. What sparks your interest? Then, of course, tell me that this is what you're interested in so that I can have it kind of on record and help point you in the right direction. And then the first written assignment will be your 3 abstracts. This means that you'll start to do research on this issue that interests you so much. And even if it only interests you a little bit, pick the one that interests you the most. What I suggest is that you go to the library, either online or in person, and you ask them for some help. Say, I'm interested in homelessness. How can you help me find peer-reviewed articles, journal articles? And they will point you in that direction of how to find the most relevant. Is it a particular population you're interested in? Is it a particular geographic area? Are you trying to look for solutions or treatments or what the VA has done? The librarians will help you. If you're doing library searches online, of course, go to our library and enter in your search terms in the host system so that you can find as many articles as possible. But if you'd like to interact with the librarian, they are very helpful, then you can send them a chat through the library system, and that is available 24/7. And we have a network of librarians throughout the state, throughout different university systems throughout the state, that are available at all times of day to help with this. You can also send emails and make phone calls within our individual university system. Okay, so beyond the library. So you're going to choose 3 articles that you've read. First, read the abstract and see if it makes sense to include it, if it's something that you really like. Read the article, and then cut and paste the abstract into this first paper. And after the abstract, you're going to write why you're including it. Why is this article relevant to your study, to what interests you for the rest of these assignments? So this particular paper, this first one, which is called the 3 peer-reviewed journal article abstracts, includes 3 abstracts, but also your 3 explanations. So it'll include the reference, what's the article in APA format, then the abstract, and then your explanation. That'll be 3 of those. So that'll really make 9 paragraphs. Every now and again, an abstract is more than 1 paragraph. Not usually. So that first paper will have all of this put together in one document with your name on it and page numbers, all in APA format, which the Writing Center can help you with. Then as we move forward, you will still use these 3 journal articles for the other assignments. Your annotated bibliography will include these 3 and more, and your literature review will include these 3 and more, but written as the topic, not as the journal articles. Please visit my other videos about those 2 assignments.